Good morning. I hope you're doing well today. Today is Sunday, May 23rd. I wanted to invite you to our open house that's happening now in Oro Valley. This is a beautiful home that's selling for $455. It's a three bedroom, three bath, 2,400 square feet. It's in a subdivision that I love in Oro Valley because their HOA fee is only $68 quarterly, which is really weird for a well-maintained property like this one. So I'll be here till 3 p.m. or so, and that's General Xian. He watches over this property. The views are amazing. The yard is amazing. Regarding comps, this property levels out to be about kind of in the middle of the road regarding the comps, because it features really large square footage, one of the largest units in the division. But it doesn't have a pool, and the other ones do. So one just sold recently. Hi, you guys, welcome. You can come on in, come and check out the house. I'm just sending over a video to one of our clients.
Oh, okay.
So anyway, this house is asking $455. The one that recently sold down the street was for $473, and it was the reason is because it has a pool. So some of these units do, this one doesn't, but you can build if you would like. It's 2 stories, has a nice office. Needs a little updating in the kitchen, but it's very functional. So anyway, just wanted to let you know. Bye.